Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sorry. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now close your eyes and focus on your forehead. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your chest with a big smile. Because inside Mindset Rewiring Hub, we focus on what we have. We have something, we don't have something. But the more we focus on what we have, the more we will receive. So focus on what you have and give a big smile. You have you, and that's the big achievement. Now relax your stomach. Relax your abdomen. Relax your thighs, your knees, your calf muscles, your feet, your hands, and scan through the body wherever you need any healing, any stress you are feeling, just release it. Take a deep breath. And now let's focus on your third eye. And let's see, when we become silent, now let's monitor ourselves. What are the thinking which is coming and going? Don't restrict. Don't take it on. Feel that as if you are watching yourself. You are outside your body. Just focus on your breathing or your third eye, whatever is suitable for you. Relax your body. And with this big smile, let's just enjoy the silence around us, inside us. The moment you realize that you are thinking something, give a big smile and say bye-bye to that thought. And again, focus on Nothing. And now, whatever thought came to your mind, don't judge them, don't think about it. Just let it go. And with this big smile, take a deep breath. And the other ancestors at energy level, whether you know them or not, doesn't matter. Just aware of the energy around you. You can sense them. And don't deny that, no, this is I am only thinking. If you can sense, that means they are there. Try to feel the energy around you. Now, rub your palm and put all the healing energy all over your face and body. Take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes. And now